Hi everyone, the holiday season is here and it's the perfect time to deepen your connection with your partner. But what if Christmas wasn't just about gifts and celebrations? What if it became a season to make your relationship even stronger and more meaningful? 5 romantic Christmas behaviors to make him fall in love. In today's video, I'll share 5 romantic Christmas behaviors to help you nurture your bond and make him fall even more in love. Whether you're in a long term relationship or just starting out, these tips will help you make this Christmas unforgettable. Number 1. Show genuine appreciation with thoughtful gifts. When it comes to gifts, it's not about the price, it's about the thought behind them. A personalized present shows you know him, his quirks, his dreams, and what makes him smile. A custom photo album of your favorite memories. A handmade keepsake with personal meaning. A playlist of songs that remind you of him. These small, thoughtful gifts leave a lasting impact. They show you've been paying attention, not just to the big things, but to the little details too. Number 2. Get playful and create fun traditions. Together, Christmas is all about the little playful moments. Shared traditions make the season magical and build memories that are uniquely yours. Take turns picking a favorite Christmas movie to watch together with hot cocoa. Set up a holiday scavenger hunt with notes and surprises. Turn cookie decorating into a fun, competitive challenge. It's not about being perfect, it's about laughing, connecting, and building traditions that you look forward to every year. Number 3. Be extra attentive to his needs. The holidays can get hectic, but taking a moment to focus on his needs can make all the difference. Small acts of kindness, especially during stressful times, show how much you care. Surprise him with his favorite breakfast on Christmas morning. Help him tackle a task he's been putting off. Offer a listening ear when he seems stressed. Anticipating his needs shows that you're there for him, not just in the fun moments, but when life feels overwhelming too. Number 4. Give him the gift of your time. In today's busy world, one of the most meaningful gifts you can give is your undivided attention. Quality time without distractions can work wonders for your relationship. Plan a cozy, distraction-free Christmas date night. Take a romantic evening walk to enjoy the lights. Spend time wrapping gifts together while sharing stories. It's not about grand gestures, it's about showing him that he's your priority even during the busiest time of the year. Number 5. Spread love through acts of kindness. Christmas is the season of giving, not just to each other, but to those in need. Acts of kindness done together deepen your bond and align your values. Volunteer at a local shelter as a team. Donate to a charity that's meaningful to both of you. Deliver homemade treats to neighbors or friends. Giving back doesn't just bring joy to others, it strengthens your connection as a couple and shows the depth of your shared compassion. This holiday season, let your actions speak louder than words. Thoughtful gifts, playful traditions, attentiveness, undivided time, and shared kindness. All of these are opportunities to deepen your love.